The Merced program is an interdisciplinary platform to join the University of California, Merced, and the surrounding communities. We teach K-12 students from local schools highly advanced workshops of natural science, technology, and social science. We have a team of PhD students giving the instruction with the support from undergraduate students, all of them from UC Merced.
Time we had. Of your perfume has got me lost in a haze, and all this moment depends on the records that the DJ plays. Baby, move a little bit closer, 'cause I wanna feel you, babe. I wanna feel you, babe. Your friends are calling you, baby, stay with me instead. I know you're saying that you're tired, there's the door dancing you left. Even if I go, I still think of you in my bed. Of a good time, good time.
Our main objective in the Merced program is to motivate the children and teenagers to attend college when the time arrives. We want to increase knowledge equity among our youngsters from different social backgrounds in the Central Valley. To do so, our instructors are not only teachers for the students, they are role models in whom the kids are able to see themselves in the future.
Programming. I felt like I can just control something with my just typing something. I already did want to go to the university, but it kind of made me want to do engineering instead, because I had already set my mind to being a lawyer. But I kind of do want to do robotics now.
Since its first edition in 2016, the Merced program has demonstrated the potential benefits of promoting positive experimental learning activities that connect children with how and with what they can learn in college. We want our students to think, if they can do it, I can do it. We work to show the kids there is a limitless world of possibilities if they want to pursue higher education. We tell them and show them they can do whatever they want, whatever they dream, regardless of where they come from or how they look like.
1, 2, 3.
Winner!